What is the red zone definition in football? Imagine a game where every yard counts and the pressure is at its peak. That's what the red zone is all about in football. It's the part of the field between the 20-yard line and the goal line. When a team gets into this area, they are very close to scoring a touchdown. The name red zone comes from the idea that this part of the field is like a warning zone, signaling that points are within reach. From a stats point of view, the red zone is a key measure of how well a team performs when the game is on the line. Offensively, it shows how often a team can turn a red zone trip into points, especially touchdowns. For example, if a team enters the red zone 10 times and scores 7 touchdowns, their red zone touchdown percentage is 70%. It also includes how often they score any points, whether it's a touchdown or a field goal. Players like quarterbacks, running backs, and receivers are all evaluated based on their success in this area. Defensive stats focus on how often a team prevents the opponent from scoring big. If a defense allows many trips into the red zone but only gives up field goals or no points, they are considered more efficient. Defensive red zone efficiency measures how often the defense keeps opponents from scoring touchdowns when they reach this area. The red zone is a game changer because the field is compressed, making it harder to execute plays. Quarterbacks need to make quick decisions, and receivers run shorter routes. Running backs often face stacked defenses, making every yard gained more valuable. Coaches use red zone data to decide which plays work best under pressure and which players excel when the stakes are high. Teams that convert their red zone opportunities into points more often tend to win more games. High red zone efficiency means more scoring chances and more wins. On the flip side, teams that struggle in this area often find it hard to turn field position into points. In advanced metrics, red zone data helps identify players who perform well under pressure. It shows which quarterbacks are clutch, which running backs excel in short yardage situations, and which receivers are reliable targets near the end zone. Coaches analyze this data to improve play calling and personnel decisions. Overall, the red zone is a vital part of football analysis. It highlights how well players and teams perform when the game is at its most intense and scoring is most likely. It's where many games are won or lost, making it a focus for strategic planning and player evaluation.